Namaste. My name is Samidha Kolhatkar, founder of Yogsutras. Today's practice, slow flow for fluidity. Fluidity is our natural state of being. Just like water takes shape of everything it touches, we are meant to move, breathe, and flow. But very often, rigidity builds up in our body, in our thoughts, in our emotions. This practice is an invitation to loosen, to release, and to reconnect with your natural rhythm. So, on a day when you feel out of rhythm and there is disturbance in your natural flow, here in this session, when the body loosens, the mind learns to let go, reducing anxiety, calming restlessness, and restoring the emotional balance. Move slow, breathe deep. As movement brings mental clarity and emotional ease, let every transition be a reminder flow isn't force. Welcome to the slow flow for fluidity. If you like the session, click subscribe and get access to more such videos for health and wellness. Let's begin the practice by settling down in Vajrasana with the hips on the heels, spine aligned, neck aligned, chin parallel. And most importantly, breath flowing freely. Let us open up the arms while we inhale, and let us bring down the palms while we exhale. And reconnect with the posture. We do this one more time. Opening up the arms on inhale, a gentle bend to open up the chest, chin slightly up. And we exhale to flow down into Shashankasana. Palms on the floor, forehead on the floor. And let the elbows now rest onto the mat. Connect your palms and make that namaskar on the back of your head. To optimize this, separate and open up your knees to let you widen the distance between and let you flow close to the ground, the closest that you can go. Take a breath and gently unwrap, open up the palms. While you start to scrape your palms, coming back to where you started, let your knees lock in again. And this time, when we circle the arms, we let the palms face forward. We flow into Shashank, touch the forehead, spread the palms, and inhaling, glide into Bhujang. Exhale into Shashank, once again back. Inhale with that awareness, flow forward. And this time, allow the toes to curl, get your core aware, and rise into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretching, opening up, and preparing yourself to walk ahead. Let the feet be slightly apart. Let loose the head and the neck, letting you come close to your thighs. And from this space, circle, rise up. Let your arms connect over your head, posture aligned. Interlink your palms, your inner palms face the ceiling. Twist to the right on the exhale and a gentle bend, a very small, to give you that mix of twist and bend. Return, reorganize, lengthen with inhale. And on the exhale, on the left side, twist and a gentle, small bend. Return to where you started. Connect your palms. Feel them back into the chest. Flow them down, letting you close to your thighs. And walk yourself into that plank. And gently put your knees down and start to make that circle clockwise, where you use this knees and the palms as your anchors. Make 3 clockwise. Allow your movement to be as fluid. And then you reverse and go anti-clockwise. And try to keep your natural rhythm as the speed. Keep breathing. Keep moving. And remember, every transition is a flow and not a force. You come back, align yourself into cat, where we put the wrist below the shoulders, knee below the hips, back flat. And let us bring in the right leg rising, foot flexed, and swing that between the palms. Let the back knee go as much behind to give that extension, and pressing the foot, the knee and the back toe, open up and gently flow down. Do this one more time. Open up and gently flow down. And from this space, allow yourself to start flowing behind, finding that spot where you can open up your right knee, stretch the right hamstring. And maybe in the first round, you find those places where you put your palms. You know exactly the distance. You feel the stretch, and then you flow forward gently. You allow this. And then when you finish, curl your back toe. Let your front foot walk you into a plank. You once again settle your knees down, adjust your cat, as this should allow you to flow further. Lifting your left foot, swing it forward. Let your back knee go behind. Allow you to stretch enough. And then use that extension, lifting your arms and flow them down on an exhale. You do this one more time. Up, open, inhale, flow down, exhale. And from this space, find that spot where you can start stretching up the left knee, and you flow forward when you bend the left knee. So allow this opening and closing with the rhythm of your breath. And then curl your back toe. Let your front foot join walk you into a plank. And from this space now, allow yourself to bring the knees down. And we do 3 rounds of cat and camel. So inhale and dip down, the hips rise up. Exhale to squeeze your belly, tuck your chin in, round your spine. Do 2 more of these. And allow that. And once you're back to the cat, let your right arm flow up. Thread it. Let the right side of your face go on the ground. Let your left arm run forward. And then hold it and put it behind your back. Allowing your shoulders to get stretched. But as we are in a slow flow, we keep flowing, we keep going. Bring your left palm back. Lift yourself back into the cat. And we flow the same on the left side. So we lift the left arm. We thread it. We put the left side of the face. We allow the right arm to run over the ear. And then pack it on your back. A breath there. Open up and lead it on the ground. Bring it back near the face. And lift yourself back into the cat. From this space, allow yourself to go back into Vajrasana. Open up the feet forward. Fold your knees. The right thigh over the left thigh. Tuck them tight to allow you to flow into Gomukhasana, where we bring the feet out, we settle. We open up, we let the palms face forward and lead ourselves ahead. Distance your elbows to let you go as low as possible. And letting you stretch the right hip. Keep the inhale and the exhale. Open up. And gently scrape the palms towards the body. And we will now move anti-clockwise to get the left thigh over the right. And there comes the left over the right now. Prepare yourself to flow forward like we did on the right side. Inhaling, raising your arms and flow them forward. Allow the elbows to be as away as possible to get you closer and flattened to the ground. And from that space, open up. Scrape your palms, let loose, relax, and let your feet flow apart. And prepare for that last place where we rest by letting ourselves land onto the ground. Open up the feet, let the inner edges touch the ground, the palm on palm, and the forehead on the palm.
Connect with your breath. Connect with your rhythm and reinstall your natural state of being.